Democracy, that empowering idea where everyone has a voice, has its roots in ancient Greece. That's right, folks, Greece laid the foundation for the democratic systems we enjoy today. Stick around as we uncover 5 fascinating facts about how Greece became the cradle of Western democracy. Let's get started. Fact 1. The birthplace of democracy. Demos and kratos, Greek words meaning people and power. Combine them, and you get democracy. Ancient Athens introduced the world's first democratic government around the 5th century BCE. Citizens, not kings or aristocrats, had the power to vote and make decisions. Imagine trying an idea this radical for the first time. Talk about groundbreaking. Fact 2. Only citizens could vote. Before you think ancient Greece was all-inclusive, here's a fun fact: only about 10 to 20% of the population qualified to vote. You had to be a free male citizen of Athens to take part in decisions. Women, slaves, and foreigners, they were excluded. While it wasn't perfect, it still marked a huge leap forward in giving people power over their governance. Fact 3. Politics and philosophy were interconnected. Some of the greatest minds in history, like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle, emerged from ancient Greece, and they had plenty to say about democracy. Plato was skeptical of it, while Aristotle believed that democracy worked best when balanced with other forms of governance. Their ideas still shape how we think about politics today. Isn't it amazing how their debates echo through time? Fact 4. The assembly was a true public forum. The heart of Athenian democracy was the assembly, where citizens gathered to speak freely, debate, and vote on laws. Picture thousands of Athenians packed together in the Nix, deciding everything from foreign policy to public budgets. This was democracy in action, raw, passionate, and very Greek. Fact 5. Jury systems were born in Athens. Here's a fact that might surprise you: Athens also gave us the first juries. Large juries of hundreds, sometimes thousands, of citizens were chosen by lottery to ensure fairness. They'd decide court cases without lawyers, relying on arguments presented directly by the involved parties. It was all about equality and preventing bias in the judicial process. From its revolutionary ideas to its incredible debates, ancient Greece left an indelible mark on the world. Without their experiments in democracy, who knows where we'd be today? What's your favorite legacy from ancient Greece? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic explorations into history. Thanks for watching.